Are you stuck choosing between the Redmi Note 14 Pro and the OnePlus Nord CE4? Both are solid contenders in the mid-range market, but let's pit them against each other in a digit-style comparison to figure out which one deserves your hard-earned cash. Buckle up, this is going to be fun.
Can it just be us tonight? Under the night sky, gonna make my skin rise. Can it just be us?
Looking at the specs, the Redmi Note 14 Pro seems to have an undeniable advantage in nearly every area but performance. The camera and display specs are far superior than the OnePlus Nord CE4, but specs don't tell the full story. Let's see how they perform in tests and real world. Both phones look fantastic, but they cater to different tastes. The Redmi Note 14 Pro comes dressed to impress with a textured leather back and a metal look plastic frame. It's tough too, with IP68 dust and water resistance and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protecting the display. This is one for the butterfingers. On the other hand, the OnePlus Nord CE4 opts for a more minimal vibe with a marble-like polycarbonate back and flat sides. It's sleek but not as sturdy. With only an IP54 rating, durability takes a bit of a backseat. The optical in-display fingerprint sensors on both phones are equally fast. Round 1 goes to the Redmi Note 14 Pro for build quality and ruggedness, but I think the OnePlus Nord CE4 does look slightly more eye-catching. Let's talk screens. Both phones boast 120Hz AMOLED displays, which means buttery smooth scrolling. But the Redmi Note 14 Pro ups the game with 1.5K resolution and a whopping 3000 nits of peak brightness. If you're spending a lot of time outdoors or love vivid HDR content, this phone will knock your socks off. Text, images, videos, and all of these things pop, and there's no struggle to view the screen even under harsh sunlight. The Nord CE4, on the other hand, offers a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with HDR10 Plus support, which means you're still getting vibrant visuals, but there's a catch. The screen leans a little heavy on blue tones, which can impact overall color accuracy, especially in darker scenes. While it's good for casual use, color purists and binge watchers might notice the difference. In our brightness test, the Nord CE4 only hit 899 nits on high brightness mode, while the Redmi Note 14 Pro touched nearly 1200 nits. Oh, and let's not forget protection. Redmi scores bonus points with the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, while the Nord CE4, well, you'll want to be extra careful with it since it only comes with Panda Glass. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Redmi Note 14 Pro runs on the Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset, which offers reliable performance across daily tasks, casual gaming and multitasking. The phone does show its strength in benchmarks but falls victim to a major letdown. Bloatware galore. There's pre-installed app spam, and let's be real, it's annoying to deal with. The Nord CE4 meanwhile is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, and boy does it shine. It's way faster than the Redmi both in benchmarks and real-world usage. It handles heavy apps without breaking a sweat and offers a smoother experience overall. OnePlus also keeps things relatively clean on the software side, with Oxygen OS being lighter and less intrusive compared to Redmi's UI. Gaming-wise, both phones can handle titles like BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile on low to medium settings. The Nord CE4 edges out slightly with fewer frame drops and better sustained performance over longer gaming sessions. So if you're a gamer or someone who values seamless day-to-day performance, the OnePlus Nord CE4 is your pick. As per the update policy, Redmi edges out here with 3 years of software updates and 4 years of security updates. Now let me quickly talk about AI, as both phones only have basic AI features like object arrays. We ran some AI benchmarks, and the Nord CE4 with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 edged out on every single one of these benchmarks with a digit AIQ score of 61 out of 100, where the Redmi Note 14 Pro only scored 56 out of 100. And now the part everyone's waiting for, the cameras. The Redmi Note 14 Pro comes with a triple camera setup led by a 50 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 2 megapixel macro. In well-lit conditions, it clicks sharp, detailed photos with vibrant colors. On the flip side, the Nord CE4 features a dual camera setup with a 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 sensor paired with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide as well. The photos from the OnePlus Nord CE4 have slightly more true-to-life color. Oddly though, this isn't true when you click portraits. The OnePlus portraits have more of a reddish skin hue, while Redmi looks more natural with better edge detection. You can also click 2x portrait photos on the Redmi, which you can't do on OnePlus, which limits its versatility. The Redmi Note 14 Pro's daylight pictures has more sharpness, which you can see if you crop in here. The 2x in-sensor zoom shots are also more crisp on Redmi. Now things change in low light. The OnePlus Nord CE4's camera captures light better and comes out with sharper and cleaner pictures. Same with the low light ultra-wide shots. Now selfies are definitely better on OnePlus. They are sharper and they look more natural. As for videos, both phones allow 4K at 30 FPS on the back camera. Tell us which one you find better in the comments. All in all, I would call this category a tie. The Nord CE4 is better for selfies and low light performance, while the Redmi Note 14 Pro's daylight performance when it comes to normal stills or portraits is superior. Let's talk endurance. Both phones pack 5500 mAh batteries, which sound impressive on paper, but their performance tells a different story. The Redmi Note 14 Pro gives you decent battery life, enough to last a full day with moderate use. However, if you're a power user, you'll probably find yourself reaching out for the charger by evening. And speaking of charging, the 45-watt fast charging feels a bit slow by today's standards. It takes its sweet time to pop up. The Nord CE4, however, knocks it out of the park here. The Nord CE4 is more of a 2-day phone, and its 100-watt fast charging is a total game changer. You're back to 100% in less than 30 minutes. No waiting around, no battery anxiety, just plug in and you're good to go. So which phone should make its way into your pocket? The Redmi Note 14 Pro shines with its rugged build, stunning display and reliable daylight and portrait photography, making it a good choice for those who prioritize outdoor usability, durability and daylight photography. Its textured leather back, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection and IP68 rating ensure it's built to last, while the 1.5K AMOLED display is one of the best in the segment. On the other hand, the Nord CE4 excels in performance, low light photography and battery life. With the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, it's the better performer whether you're into gaming, multitasking or just looking for a seamless day-to-day experience. Add to that its impressive low light camera performance and 100-watt fast charging. If you're looking for a phone that's tough, reliable and excels in display and daylight photography, go for the Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you want smoother performance and a better battery life and charging experience, the OnePlus Nord CE4 is the way to go. What's your pick? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you in the next one. Go for the Redmi Note 14 Plus. What?